It's as if they have a secret power that turns their thoughts into reality. What if I told you that this power isn't exclusive to a lucky few, but something that's available to everyone, including you? The key lies in a powerful visualization technique that can change your life. In this video, we'll explore how to visualize in a way that makes everything you imagine come true. Let's start by understanding what visualization really means. Visualization is the practice of creating vivid mental images of what you want to achieve or experience. It's like watching a movie in your mind, but you're the director, actor, and audience all at once. This isn't just daydreaming or wishful thinking. It's a deliberate, focused process that can shape your reality. The impact of visualization on achieving goals is profound. When you visualize, you're essentially programming your mind to recognize and create opportunities that align with your desired outcome. It's not magic, but it can certainly feel magical when you start seeing your visualizations materialize in the real world. To truly grasp the power of visualization, we need to understand how our minds work. There's a fascinating connection between our thoughts and reality. Our brains don't always distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. This means that when you visualize something intensely, your brain responds as if it's actually happening. This triggers a cascade of mental and physical responses that can help bring your visualizations to life. The subconscious mind plays a crucial role in this process. It's like a powerful computer that runs in the background, influencing our behaviors, decisions, and perceptions. When you visualize, you're feeding your subconscious mind with images and scenarios that it then works to make real. It starts to notice opportunities and solutions that align with your visualizations, even when your conscious mind might overlook them. The science behind visualization is compelling. Numerous studies have shown that visualization can improve performance, increase motivation, and even create physical changes in the brain. For example, research has found that athletes who visualize their performance can improve their skills almost as much as those who do physical practice. This is because visualization activates many of the same neural pathways as actually performing the action. Visualization affects brain patterns in remarkable ways. When you vividly imagine achieving a goal, your brain forms new neural connections. These connections strengthen over time with repeated visualization, making it easier for your brain to conceive of and work towards that goal. It's like creating a mental rehearsal that prepares your brain for success. Despite its power, many people make common mistakes when trying to visualize. One frequent error is visualizing too vaguely. Simply picturing a general idea of what you want isn't enough. Another mistake is visualizing sporadically or inconsistently. Visualization requires regular practice to be effective. Some people also focus too much on the end result without visualizing the process of getting there. This can lead to feelings of frustration when immediate results don't appear. Perhaps the biggest mistake is not engaging all your senses in the visualization. Many people rely solely on visual imagery, but the most effective visualizations involve all senses: sight, sound, touch, smell, and even taste when applicable. These mistakes can limit your success with visualization, but don't worry, we're about to learn the right way to do it. So what's the right way to visualize that makes everything come true? It's a specific technique that combines intense focus, vivid sensory details, and emotional engagement. The key components of effective visualization include clarity, consistency, and belief. You need to have a clear, detailed picture of what you want. You must practice visualization regularly, ideally daily. And perhaps most importantly, you need to believe in the possibility of your visualization becoming reality. Let's break down this visualization technique into a step-by-step guide that you can follow. First, find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Now start to build your visualization. Begin with the end result. What does your achieved goal look like? See it in vivid detail. What colors are present? What's happening around you? Next, engage your other senses. What sounds do you hear in this scenario? Are there any specific smells? If applicable, what can you taste? How does it feel, both physically and emotionally? The more senses you involve, the more real and impactful your visualization becomes. As you're visualizing, pay attention to the emotions you're feeling. Are you excited, proud, joyful? Really let yourself experience these positive emotions. This emotional component is crucial because it helps anchor the visualization in your mind and motivates you to take action in the real world. Now take your visualization a step further. Don't just see the end result. Visualize the process of getting there. See yourself taking the necessary steps, overcoming obstacles, and moving closer to your goal. This helps your mind create a roadmap to success and prepares you for the journey ahead. To enhance your visualization experience, try incorporating physical movement. If you're visualizing giving a successful presentation, for example, stand up and go through the motions as you imagine it. This physical component can make your visualization even more powerful and realistic. Remember, effective visualization isn't a one-time event. It's a practice that you need to engage in regularly. Set aside time each day for your visualization practice. Consistency is key to programming your subconscious mind and creating lasting change. Many people have used this visualization technique successfully in various areas of life. From athletes improving their performance to entrepreneurs building successful businesses, the power of visualization has been demonstrated time and time again. These success stories span across different life areas, including career advancement, improved relationships, and significant personal growth. Of course, it's natural to have doubts and face obstacles when starting a visualization practice. You might question whether it really works or feel discouraged if you don't see immediate results. It's important to remember that visualization is a skill that improves with practice. Be patient with yourself and trust in the process. To stay motivated and consistent, try setting reminders for your daily visualization practice. You could also keep a visualization journal to track your progress and note any positive changes you observe. Remember, even small steps forward are worth celebrating. Another helpful strategy is to surround yourself with supportive people who believe in the power of visualization. Share your goals with them and let their encouragement fuel your practice. You might even find a visualization buddy to check in with regularly and share experiences. Integrating visualization into your daily life is crucial for long-term success. Look for opportunities to incorporate quick visualization exercises throughout your day. For example, before an important meeting, take a moment to visualize it going well. As you're falling asleep at night, spend a few minutes visualizing your ideal tomorrow. To make visualization a habit, try linking it to an existing routine. You could visualize right after your morning coffee, during your lunch break, or as part of your bedtime routine. The key is to make it a non-negotiable part of your day, just like brushing your teeth. It's also important to align your actions with your visualized goals. Visualization is powerful, but it's not a substitute for action. Use your visualizations as motivation and guidance for taking concrete steps towards your goals. Ask yourself regularly, what action can I take today that aligns with my visualization? As you practice visualization, it's important to measure your progress and make adjustments as needed. Keep track of any positive changes you notice, no matter how small. Are you feeling more confident, more motivated? Are you noticing new opportunities that align with your goals? Don't be afraid to fine-tune your visualization technique. If you're not seeing the results you want, try adjusting the details of your visualization. Maybe you need to make it more vivid, or perhaps you need to focus more on the process rather than just the end result. Remember, visualization is a personal practice, and what works best may vary from person to person. One of the most exciting aspects of visualization is the ripple effect it can have on your life. As you start achieving your visualized goals, you'll likely notice positive changes in other areas too. Success breeds success, and the confidence you gain from one achievement can fuel progress in other aspects of your life. This ripple effect can inspire you to think bigger and visualize broader positive changes. As you become more skilled at visualization, don't be afraid to apply it to larger, more ambitious goals. You might start by visualizing personal success. But why not expand that to visualizing a better community, a more peaceful world, or solutions to global challenges? Now that you understand the power of visualization and how to do it effectively, it's time to take action. I encourage you to start your visualization practice today. Begin with something small if you like, and gradually work your way up to bigger goals. Remember, consistency is key. As you embark on this visualization journey, I'd love to hear about your experiences. What are you visualizing? What changes are you noticing in your life? Share your stories in the comments below. Your experience might just inspire someone else to start their own visualization practice. The main points we've covered. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you achieve your goals and create the life you desire. It works by programming your subconscious mind and creating new neural pathways in your brain. To visualize effectively, you need to engage all your senses, involve your emotions, and practice consistently. The key components of successful visualization are clarity, consistency, and belief. Be clear about what you want, practice visualization regularly, and believe in the possibility of your dreams becoming reality. Integrate visualization into your daily life, align your actions with your visualized goals, and be patient with the process. Visualization isn't just about achieving personal success. It's a tool for creating positive change in the world around you. As you master this technique, you'll discover that you have the power to shape your reality in ways you might never have imagined. So, are you ready to tap into the incredible power of your mind? Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Your journey begins with a single visualization. Close your eyes, see your desired future, feel it, believe in it, and watch as everything you visualize this way comes true. The power is within you. It's time to use it.